Hello, I'm Shin, and today we'll paint Bahannar from Warhammer Underworlds Direchasm, and today we will paint his inside of cape, this part of clothes, and a base, because if you watch my previous videos and inside of this part, if you watched my previous video, I had a small problems with base, so yeah, today we'll start from base. So we will take an Gordor brown layer at the beginning. And whole miniature is painted with Corax white spray. I will use medium layer brush from Citadel, and we'll paint ground, a dirt around rocks. We'll not paint wood now, or maybe just a little from bottom. Or wait, can I took it off? Oh, okay. So I will take off the smart tree and wheat. Okay. And now we will take mechanical standard gray base and paint a rocks. Okay. Now we can start find his cape, and to this I will mix 50-50 Declis blue with Declis blue layer with white scarlet layer. And start base coating his cape. Inside the cape. can also paint his Blake, probably. Okay. Now let's unmold his head. Let's take Agrax Earthshade Shade. And first wash ground. I forgot to say, if you want, you can also paint with Gorgot Brown whole round. I decide to do this at the end without camera, to not wasting your time. Let's take Seraphim Sepia shade, mix it with water, and now paint inside of this. Okay. We can take Nuln Oil and wash rocks. I have still on my wet palette Teclis Blue, just Teclis Blue without mixing. So we can today also paint his belt. Strange, because it's finishing here. I can take this off, but I can. Okay. Also, this ones. This. And here inside. And we can take his head. And here are also. We can paint like that because later we'll have to paint this again. I mean this horses, not horses, horns, horses, horns. Yeah, okay. Now wait for dry, and when this more blue parts will what drying. Meanwhile, we can take technical Nighthood Gloom, but we'll use it for something else. If you don't want to buy this technical, then you can just use Drakenhof Nightshade Shade. It will be similar but not the same effect. And with this Night Hand Gloom I will paint shadows of cape. Okay, I use a little too much, so I'll take our old mix and blend it with this. Okay, but still, let's take Drakenhof Nightshade shade and wash places like this one, but this one's also this blanket inside of cape. Oh, I forgot about this side. Okay, so I will show you how it will look without Nighthound glooming. Yeah, and for today it will be all. So thank you for watching. Let me show you only a difference, but I'm not sure if you will see this. Yeah, on camera I don't see it well, but in real life, trust me, it's better. But as I said, you don't need to use Nighthand Gloom. Alright, so for now, thank you for watching. If you want more, just subscribe on channel. If you like this video, leave comment like below. And if you want better photos, I invite you on my Instagram. And if you want better photos, I invite you on my Instagram. Thank you for watching. Bye.